For years, I've watched leaders trying to do the right things, while their teams quietly watch and scrutinize every word and every action. I've also been on that journey myself, and I can empathize. With AI on our doorstep, along with other pressures, the time to invest in team culture, leadership development, and the future of work has never been more critical than it is now. I'm Melissa Ketler, and after 20 years of leadership and organizational development, I've learned something crucial. The future of work isn't coming, it's crashing over us like waves on the coast. Here on Vancouver Island, I understand edges, the place where ocean meets land, where stability meets constant change. That's exactly where your leadership needs to be right now. I don't offer theory or empty feel-good workshops. I bring practical tools that create real behavior change and insight, solutions that actually get incorporated into work environments, team processes that stick, leadership strategies that work when the pressure is on. Because your people aren't just checking boxes, they're looking for someone who can navigate what's next. So if you're a leader ready to grow, adapt, and future-proof your team, hit subscribe and join me right here on the edge of change.